What you doing, Aud? You crawling near the puppy? Riley, no face kisses. Riley, no face kisses. Hi, Audrey. What are you doing? Are you sticking your tongue out at the puppy? Can you get your piano? Oh, good moving. Good. A nice tongue. Are you showing me your tongue? You goofy girl. Where's your other toys? Oh, good crawling. You gonna get the puppy? You gonna get her tail? Riley? Riley? Audrey's showing off her tongue. Oh, can you get your toy over here? Does Mommy keep tricking you and moving him? Oh, good job, baby. Good job. Let me see you. Let me see you. Are you playing the piano? You gonna come on the tile? Good job. You're doing it a little bit. Can you come get me? Can you come get me? Dada? 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 Yeah? Dada? Can you say mama? Or baby?